Question number 10 reads as follows. The minor angle between hour hand and minutes hand of a clock was observed at 8:48 am. The minimum deviation in minutes after 8:48 am on which the angle increased by 50% is. Alright. So we know that the angle between the hour hand and the minutes hand, I'll use the black marker for minute and the red marker for hand while doing the calculation as well. The angle between the hour hand and the minute hand is 0 degrees when the clock is at 12, be it 12 noon or 12 am. So we know that in 1 hour, that is 60 minutes, the minutes hand moves by 360 degrees. 60 minutes, it moves by 360 degrees. So in 1 minute, the minute hand moves by 6 degrees. This is a simple ratios and proportion. We just need to cross multiply. 360 by 60 is 6 degrees. This is for the minutes hand. Now for the hours hand, in 12 hours, that is 12 into 60 minutes, the hour hand moves by 360 degrees. So in 1 minute, it moves by 360 by 12 into 60, which is 1 by 2 degrees. Now the given time for us is 8:48 am. So if we consider 12 midnight, when the angle between both of them was 0, the number of minutes that has passed is 8 hours into 60 minutes plus 48 minutes of 8:48, which is 480 plus 48, 528 minutes. Alright. So now at 528 minutes, the hour hand would have moved by 264 degrees is the hour hand, and the minute hand would have moved by 6 into 528. This is going to give a long calculation, so all I'm going to do is in 1 hour, the minute hand, which is 60 degrees, it moves by 360 degrees. So instead of using 528, I'm just going to take 48 minutes. So in 48 minutes, it is going to move by 48 into 6, which is 8, carry over 4, 288 degrees. Now, if I would have taken 528 degrees, for the 8 into 60, it would have been a multiple of 360, which would essentially come back there. I just want the deviation, and that is 288 minutes in 48 minutes for the minutes hand. So now the delta between this is 288 minus 264, which is 24 degrees, right? Now this has to increase by 50%. So 50% of this is 12 degrees. We know that the hour's hand moves at half degree per minute. So let's say that after 8:48, after m minutes, the deviation increased by 12 degrees. So the hour hand would have moved by m by 2 degrees, because this is m minutes. Per minute it is half degree, so m by 2 degree. And the minutes hand would have moved by 6m degrees. Per minute it moves by 6 degrees. So in m minutes, it would have moved by 6m degrees. What they are saying is 6m minus m by 2 is 12. That will give me 11m by 2 is 12. Just a simple LCM and cross multiplication. So m is equal to 24 by 11 minutes. After 24 by 11 minutes, the deviation between the hour hand and minute hand would have increased by 50% from what it was at 8:48 am. Let me once again repeat why I just used 48 minutes is because every 60 minutes it moves by 360 degrees. So for the first 8 hours, it would have moved by 60, 60, 60, 68 times, 480 times. It would have come back here. And then I just need to check in 48 minutes where the minute hand comes, which will be somewhere here. And the hour hand would be somewhere here. This is 24 degrees. I hope you liked it.